Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change shipping address on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Hold on 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Shopify account and click on settings, and now select locations, and here you will find your shipping address. So click on that address, which one you want to change, and now give your location name here and scroll down, and here you will see the location. So click on country and now select your new location and give your address, apartment, postal code, city, and enter your phone number here and then click on save. So this is how we can change our shipping address on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.